أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. The question is, can a man pray salah with his hairstyle in braids? So the answer for this question is found in the book Sahih Muslim. The name of the book is Sahih Muslim and Hadith number 1101.
1101.
Read this Hadith from here.
Yeah. Narrated from Abdullah bin Abbas that he said,
He saw.
Abdullah he saw Abdullah bin al Haris offering prayer, and his hair was braided at the back. He went it started to undo it. When he finished the prayer, he turned to Ibn Abbas and said, "What are you doing to my hair?" He said, I, I heard the messenger of Allah say, the likeness of this one is that of the man who pray with his hands tied.
So the answer is no, a man should not pray salah with braids in with his hair styled in braids. So the answer is
So that mean, yeah. So that mean the question was that someone who have what kind of hair he cannot do the salah.
hair styled in braids. Do you know braids?
Okay. No. Braids. Like to uh, roll it together.
Look here.
Oh, to okay, like a coupon in the back.
Yeah, so this is not allowed to men, especially during salah. Normally they can have braid,
Oh,
but not
yeah.
in salah.
To
This
cut some places and cut some, leave some places. Yeah.
this
Yes.
braid is this thing. This thing is called braid.
Oh, oh, yeah. Kausai. Okay. Bread.
Only women
Okay,
can
bread.
have this
The
style.
women do it, yeah, yeah, in
It is
style.
allowed to women,
So,
but not to men.
okay, that's allowed to for women, not for, okay, yeah. So, la,
Last time we
okay,
did this question. What is the short answer for this question with the reference?
yeah. Sahih Bukhari 27, 24, and 20, 27, 25. That means we cannot change the law of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu.
Okay, correct.
Yes.